marami silang ways na pwedeng pagkakitaan ngayon because of social media. Noon, wala naman kaming ganyan. Ano lang, radio, television, yun lang, movies. Yung wala naman sila ngayon, yung mga direktor na marami silang matututunan. During my time, halos lahat ng pelikula ko, there's Direk Luis, there was Marilu Abaya, there was Lino Broca, Ismael Bernal, Peque Galiana, Celso Alcasillo. Kahit kanino kang mapunta ng mga direktor na yon, may matututunan ka sa kanilang lahat. I'm not saying wala silang natututunan ngayon, hindi ba?
I know what you mean.
But, yung time na yon, yun talaga na, kailangan ko makatrabaho itong director na to because I would surely learn a lot
At kung
from them.
pipili ka halimbawa ng direktor for the remake of Salome, which is hypothetical,
Yes.
sinong pipiliin mo ngayon?
Hindi ko pa alam, wala akong maisip
Wala akong maisip.
because si Direk Luis kasi there was that, yung pagkababae, the sensuality na meron siya noon kasi I remember there was a love scene between me and Johnny at the time. She even taught me how to yung paggano ng kamay, gumapang yung kamay ko sa likod ni Johnny Delgado. Pati yun, detalyado yun na
Pumupunta ka doon, Loris?
Oo.
Talaga. Galing.
Hindi ko makakalimutan yon, yung pagka-rest na, may meaning, may ibig sabihin. Hindi basta hinimas mo lang na gano'n.
Loris, sinong pipiliin mo to play Salome?
Salome? I don't know.
You also don't know. Oo.
Kasi kailangan ko ng young, innocent-looking, but capable of complex emotions. So it's very hard.
Bakit namin dapat panoorin ang asawa ng asawa ko? Bakit?
Kakaiba siyang circumstance.
You know, I also ask, hindi madaling pilitin ka gumawa ng serye?
Oo.
And you're back now doing this.
Kasi kakaiba nga, I saw the possibilities. Kasi
Okay.
hindi siya yung ordinary na kaliwaan. Ganon. Hindi. Kasi when you read the title, parang baka maisip mong ganon. But it's really more of the journey of people na ordinary people under extraordinary circumstances.
Okay. Looking forward. That's January 15.
Yeah.
GMA
9:35.
Prime Time. Yan, that's 9:35. Bakit namin dapat panoorin si Carmen?
Kasi si Carmen, mabait siya.
Mabait
mabait siya,
siya.
pero tingnan na lang sa huli kung sino ang masasampal natin. Kasi parang meron pa rin.
Talaga?
Meron pa rin, yeah.
Kahit ang pagsampal, Loris, I mean, do you direct them? I was talking to Lizelle, for example. Sabi ko, how does she do it? Binibigyan ka ba ng space? And then, paano ang wow, she was just raving. Pagsampal, halimbawa, Loris, do you actually tell your actors how to do it?
Actually, yeah. I mean, usually I have a fight director.
Yeah.
And just to make sure that safe yung . And some of them actually want it to be the real thing. So, she was the only one actress of mine on the paano ko ba kasi galit na galit siya kay Lizelle at that moment na
Dito sa asawa ng asawa ko.
sumugod na galit
Okay.
siya. Sabi kasi 3 sampal, pak. Sabi niya, gano'n ko ba yun? Parang, hindi. Kasi pag yung pangatlong gano'n, backhand, masasaktan ka pa. So, gawin mo.
Ngudngudin mo.